yourself. You just bent.
Yeah, don't worry, it's like Tirira.
Tirira.
Yeah.
Yo, big up myself and Muridzo.
What's up?
I don't know. You ready to rock Dust the Ball?
Yeah.
Tell them straight.
Yesterday, I had no band, so people thought that was my performance. But today, I'm gonna show them that.
I don't remember it. I'm ready. Alpha. Stick split.
I told you.
So how you find your experience in England so far?
Yeah, it's a bit cold, but I'm coping out there. The weather.
So you got some time? You're gonna shoot a video? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a song with Juicer.
Juicer, yeah.
Yeah, Juicer the mentor, and then
man.
I'm gonna shoot a video for it. And then I'm gonna do I think a few clips for my title track for the next album. Yeah.
My secret is next album, what is it coming out?
My next album is called Chambo Tenderera. It's coming out 24 March.
24 March?
2017, yeah.
So why you want to come back to the England and launch it?
I think in July. Yeah, in July I'll be back in England again. This is just a warm up.
Yeah. But I enjoyed your performance though yesterday in Leicester. It's crazy, trust me. And big up to the band that came up, you know, from Manchester. They were coming up.
We just called them.
Yeah.
We just called them just like that, and then they came, and I was telling them, Mom, they just did the thing up. They smashed it up.
Yeah, I know. So, basically, looking at you and speaking to you, the way that you even, okay, let's say, music, the way that you look there, your personality as a person is, I think, what's your inspiration for this kind of music? You let me know.
No, my inspiration, I think, music in a whole. I was inspired by music in a whole.
Okay.
Yeah, because as an artist, you don't have to show. If you sing about bundu things, you're not supposed to dress like a bundu boy. What you sing in your personality has to stand on its own. Music has to stand on its own. So 2 different things: personality and music. 2 different things.
Yeah, man. So wish you all the best tonight. Ready to rock? My name is Casey, Studio 263. Big up myself. And the Muridzo. Yeah, man. Remember that. When I lie.